Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to download, or is it even possible to download Netflix movies to your gallery. So without delaying any more further, let's get started. Here, if you have a Netflix subscriptions and want to download a movie or watch a movie offline, what you do is go and open your Netflix, tap on the account, select any one of the movies that you would want to watch offline. Right below the play button, you see a download option, and then just tap on download and download it. Here you can watch this anytime, anywhere in your Netflix app. What I want you to know is any movie saved from Netflix can't be downloaded to your gallery because Netflix does not allow this feature. So if you want to watch it online, just download it and store it to your Netflix. Even if you cancel the subscriptions to your Netflix, you can have the easy access to watch on it offline. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily download movies from Netflix. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And also drop a comment down below. Happy viewing.